Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 24th, 2026, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from EOG Resources. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. EOG Resources has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2025 earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack, from their revenue figures to their strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. EOG Resources reported a total revenue of $5.638 billion for the fourth quarter of 2025. John, how does this compare to their previous performance?
While the revenue is slightly down from the previous quarter, it's important to note that EOG's operating income for Q4 2025 was $943 million. This indicates that despite a challenging market, they managed to maintain a solid profitability margin. Their net income for the quarter was $701 million, and the adjusted earnings per share came in at $2.27, which is above the forecasted EPS of $2.20 by analysts.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, EOG Resources has been focusing on operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their performance in this area and their future outlook?
Absolutely. EOG's crude oil equivalent volumes for Q4 2025 were 1,399 mecbod, showing a strong production capability. They managed to keep their total operating costs at $4.695 billion, which is commendable given the impairments of $689 million they faced. Looking ahead, EOG has provided strong guidance, focusing on cost management and strategic investments to drive future growth.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.20. How did EOG perform in this regard?
EOG Resources exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $0.27, beating the forecast by 0.07 cents. This was based on a survey of 10 analysts. The company's ability to surpass the EPS forecast is a testament to their effective cost management and operational strategies.
CEO/CFO statements and strategic initiatives. What strategic initiatives has EOG Resources undertaken, and what are the key statements from their leadership?
While we don't have a direct statement from the CEO or CFO, EOG has been clear about their strategic focus on cost management and investment in core acreage. They invested $6.73 billion in acquisitions, including the Encino acquisition, which significantly boosted their reserve replacement to 269%. This positions them well for future growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, EOG Resources has delivered a solid performance in Q4 2025, with strong revenue and an EPS that beat expectations. Their strategic investments and focus on operational efficiencies are setting them up for continued success. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. EOG's performance is indeed promising, and it will be interesting to see how they leverage their strategic initiatives moving forward.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on EOG Resources' performance in the comments below.